I sure love this new dibble wheel. Got out here and planted some bok choy, planted some beets, and planted some broccoli and Brussels sprouts on the other end. Normally back in the day, I'd take me a stick and I'd cut it whatever I wanted my space, and I'd get out here and I'd plant one, take my stick, lay it down, so on forth. It took me forever. The new dibble wheel lays it off perfect where I get out here real quick, lay it off nice, straight, perfect, spacing in between my plants there. It don't take no time to do it, and when you get through it looks really good. So I really like it. I put on these Brussels sprouts, this broccoli, every other one I turn it inside down. Now it's a little misleading because if you look at that, you say, well, that's about 7-inch spacing. Well, actually what you got to go on is point to point. And if we look at our, over here, if we look at our broccoli, we're actually laying off about 10-inch spacing, which is just perfect for me. Now, if you want to do 12 inches, 10's close enough. You can't argue with an inch or two. That gets it pretty dadgum close for you. And then our new Prop Tech trays here, the plug in them is just perfect for the dibble wheel. You can see there, it lays out a perfect size. Now, our soil's real sandy, so it helps if you got a little moisture in your soil. It'll help hold that opening once you punch it in there. Some of the clay soils probably won't be as bad, but this real sandy soil we got, we like to have a little moisture in there, so when you roll the dibble wheel through there, punches that hole and it holds it open. Go right back through there, lay your plants out, and cover them up. So there you have it, folks. We're trying to show off our new dibble wheel. Pretty weather. Get out here and get something done.